Stop building boring HTML tables. Instead, you should be building this professional streaming price comparer for Netflix, Disney Plus, and Max from scratch. Most beginners think tables are obsolete or too hard to style. But the truth is, major tech companies use tables every single day to display complex data. In this video, you will master HTML tables, learn how to merge cells like a pro, and style everything with modern CSS. No frameworks, no libraries, just HTML and CSS.
This is our basic structure. Now we are going to add our main title using an H1 tag, Streaming Platform Comparer 2026, and a short description using a P tag. To start a table in HTML, we use the table tag. Inside a proper table, we divide the content into two main sections, thead for the headers and tbody for the actual data. This is crucial for clean code and accessibility. Let's create our header row using tr, which stands for table row. Inside this row, we use th tags for the headers. We need 4 columns: platform, monthly price, video quality, and screens. Inside the tbody, we create our rows using tr. For the data cells, we switch from th to td, which stands for table data. Let's type the Netflix row. Netflix, $14.99, full HD, and 2 screens. Now here is a problem. Disney Plus and Max cost exactly the same price this month, $9.99. Instead of typing it twice, we can merge the cells vertically. To do this, we go to the Disney Plus price cell and add the attribute rowspan equals 2. This tells the cell to expand down into 2 rows. To save time, the CSS has been written, but I've commented it out. By default, HTML tables sometimes show a little gap between borders, depending on the browser. To make sure our table always looks clean and modern, we add border collapse collapse. Even if your browser doesn't show double borders, this property guarantees that all borders merge into a single line. And there you have it, a fully responsive, modern web data table built using only HTML and CSS. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more coding tutorials.